Hello delightful, you're welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you the best method to store yam to last for a longer period of time. First, you need to wash the yam you want to store. It's important to wash the yam before you peel because a lot of yam harbors bacteria and pesticide and insecticides on the skin, so you need to wash the skin properly before you begin to cut. So after I've washed the yam, I began to cut, and half of the tuber cutting has spoiled. So that's why I want to show you how to store your yam so you won't be wasting money buying yam and it's going bad. You know, yam is a delicious and nutritious food that many people enjoy. But how do you preserve it the right way to prevent it from going bad or losing its texture, color, and taste? So that's why I want to show you how, or tips and tricks on how to store your yam. You see, this one has started sprouting. This is one of the reasons you need to store or preserve it. Warm room temperature often causes your yam to sprout or develop soft spots over weeks. Freezing locks them in a dormant state, eliminating sprout formation and the risk of mold or rot. So as you are peeling, submerge it into water to prevent it from turning brown. After peeling all the different shapes, wash and cut them into uniform pieces or sizes so it can cook evenly. So now is to cut them into sizes for different recipes. I will cut some into cubes for yam porridge, for yam and beans, and also for stir fry yam. I will also cut these ones into bigger sizes for pounding and for making assorted meat, pepper soup and yam. While I cut these ones into stripes for frying and roasting, just cut yours into sizes based on the recipes you have in mind to prepare, okay? Because we are going to store them into batches, but first we are going to blanch them. I usually add chunks of onion and pieces of bell pepper in the yam while storing it. It's optional, but onion and pepper help slow down oxidation, browning in the yam flesh, so the yam stays brighter and appealing when cooked. Onion also contains sulfur-based compound that hinder bacterial growth during freezing, and it also enhances the texture of the yam. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Add your pieces of yam and boil for 3 to 4 minutes, less for small cubes and more for thick cuts. Immediately transfer them into a cold water to stop cooking. This step deactivates enzymes that lead to color loss and off flavor, locks in the yam firm texture, retain nutrients so your yam stay healthy and tasty.